let me show you guys how to easily clean your earpod in case if one or the two is not talking loudly. So this is what you should do. The thing that can block your earpod is wax, your ear wax, so it's always easy to remove. Get a plier, grip the head of the earpod and press it a little bit. When you press it a little bit, it's going to open by the side. So when it's open, use your finger or any sharp object to hold that opening, because if you leave it, it's going to close back. So use your hand to drag it open. Once it is open, you will see the tiny speaker inside. Get a pin. Use this pin to gently lift up that speaker, and be careful so that you don't puncture the main diaphragm inside. So when you lift it a bit, then use your fingernail to hold it firmly. Use your fingernail to hold it and then pull it apart. You will notice an adhesive that is on it. The gum is used to keep it in place. So gently pull the gum apart, and then be careful not to press the face of the speaker so you don't spoil it. So now that the front cover is open, if you look at it very well, you will observe that there is a blockage on the speaker. There's a blockage. So what we are going to do now, you take the part of the earpod, put it inside water, shake it very well, shake it very well. If you like, you can add a tiny soap to aid it. As you can see, it is gradually cleaning and we can see through gradually. Since it is not enough, we have to do the shaking again. Add it into the water, shake it more, shake it till you can see that there is clear vision. You can see through that earpiece very clearly. Now that you can see very clearly, it is time to couple it back. You can just put the speaker like that, or if you want additional strength, you can just add this gum to it. Add this gum so that it will not fall out. Even if you don't have the gum, you can just add it, like you can just put the speaker back and it will still be fine. So once you have put the gum, then press the speaker back in place and your earphone is back to normal. Additionally, you can just use cotton wool, add some spirit to tidy it up. Now after cleaning, your earpod is ready to be used. I hope you find this video useful. Have a nice day.